Retrieval is the best technique for remembering things. For learning to stick, we need children to remember what we've taught them. This year, St Margaret's children have been completing lots of retrieval tasks in lessons, so they have the best chance of remembering what they've learnt. So, let's test your memories with a quick game. You are about to see 10 objects, one after the other. I want you to try to remember as many as you can. Ready? A fashionable lamp. A TV and video combo. A cuddly toy. A houseplant. The latest mobile phone. A stylish wall clock. A collection of 4 crystal glasses. A modern kettle. A rubber duck. Some golf clubs. Your 30 seconds begins now. Time's up. Okay, here are the 10 objects. How well did you do? Hopefully pretty well. So, here comes the science bit. This picture shows how the learning process works. When you were looking at the images during the game, you were having to pay attention. And for learning to happen, you need to pay attention. The content you are trying to remember then goes into your working memory. The real challenge, though, is to get the information to stay in the long-term memory. For example, if I asked you to name the 10 objects in a month's time, you would probably find that difficult. However, if you practiced and practiced and practiced remembering, then you would be more successful. Take learning a musical instrument or your times tables or learning to read. For you to retain the information in your long-term memory, you need to practice and practice and practice. Now, for subjects like history and geography, the same concept applies. The more you use your memory, the more you shape your memory, which is why retrieving information that you have learnt from your long-term memory into your working memory stops you forgetting things. So here are a few ways in which children have been using retrieval in the classroom this term. Low-stakes quizzes on bits of paper or iPad apps like Quizlet. Games like Snakes and Ladders or Bingo linked to the knowledge that they need to remember. They've been using their knowledge organisers to practice the content independently in class. They have been writing down all they can remember in tasks like brain dumps. They've had the opportunity to talk about what they have learnt and record that on an iPad. And they have used simple drawings to link the learning to a picture. So, what can you do at home? One of the best things to do is to look at the knowledge organisers, which are available on the website and show you all the knowledge the children need to know around that topic. Another thing is to ask your children to explain what they've been learning about, a great way for them to practice retrieving the information. And finally, quizzes are a fun way of making the learning stick, so ask them questions in a fun way. Hope that helps.